Good day, sir. Today I will explain the difference between financial accounting and management accounting. Financial accounting is mainly concerned with recording and summarizing a company's financial transactions for people outside organizations such as investors, banks, creditors, and government agencies. Uh, it follows specific accounting standards to make sure the information is accurate and comparable, and the reports are usually prepared after a certain period, like monthly, quarterly, or annually. Because of this, financial accounting focuses on past performance and helps external users evaluate how the business says perform. On the other hand, management accounting is used inside the organization and is designed to support management in running the business effectively. It provides detailed and relevant information that helps managers make informed decisions, plan future activities, and control costs. Unlike financial accounting, management accounting does not follow strict rules, and reports can be prepared anytime depending what time the managers need. It is more flexible and forward-looking and commonly includes budgets, anal- cost analysis, break-even analysis, and performance reports that help improve efficiency. Sa madaling salita, ang financial accounting ay para sa mga taong nasa labas ng kumpanya at nakatuon sa mga nangyayari na habang ang managerial accounting ay para sa mga managers at ginagamit bilang gabay sa pagdidesisyon, pagpaplano at pagkontrol ng gastos para sa hinaharap. Dahil dito, mahalagang bahagi ang management accounting sa maayos at matagumpay na pamamahala ng isang negosyo.